This is my 10th video for class 11th differentiation. In this chapter, going to tell remaining question of differentiation. As you know, in previous video already I have told and I have given so many formula, means maximum formula of differentiation. I hope are you doing? I am learning the formula. Good. Now going to tell questions, and during the questions I will write the formula also one by one. Then first of all going to write few formula once more. Here d by dx of only constant is equal to 0, and here d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1, and third one d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x, and fourth d by dx of a power x is equal to a power x and log of a base e, and last one d by dx of c into fx is equal to what? C d by dx of fx. Clear? So many formula also here. Now going to solve one question. Question number 1 here. D by dx of 3 upon x power 5. Clear? This is question. Understood? This is simple. It means we have to find the differential coefficient of given function, means derivative of this function. Then 3 upon x power 5. We have formula quotient, but not going to use. Why? We have this formula also, x power n. Then d by dx of 3 into x power minus 5. Now this is a product of constant and variable. Then leaving constant, differentiation of variable number, means 3 into d by dx of x power minus 5. Now 3 into x power n means what? X power n means n into x power n minus 1. Clear? Then minus 5 into x power minus 5 minus 1. After that, plus into minus minus sign, 3 into 5, 15, x power minus 6. This is the value of d by dx of 3 upon x power 5. Okay? Any doubt? Good. Second example, d by dx of under root x minus 1 by under root x. Clear? In this question, how many terms are there? 2 terms. First term, second term. If two or more than 2 terms are in addition and subtraction, then we can differentiate all the terms indivisible. Therefore, here d by dx of under root x means we can write x power 1 by 2 minus d by dx of 1 by under root x means we can write x power minus 1 by 2. Because we don't have formula of n under root, then all the roots numbers we will change into x power n form. Then here x power is equal to what? n into x power n minus 1, and here minus 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Then 1 by 2 x power what? Minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 1 upon 2 x power 3 by 2. And it means what? 1 upon 2 under root x we can write plus 1 by 2, and here minus 3 by 2 power from down side. Then here under root x. Now this is answer. Clear? Then going to tell next example here. First of all going to 3. If y is equal to under root 3x plus 2, then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of under root 3x plus 2. Under root, it means we can change in power form. D by dx of 3x plus 2 power 1 by 2. Now we have formula x power n means base is variable, power is constant, n into x power n minus 1. Therefore here, now suppose this is a x here, x, then x means what? N into x power n minus 1. Again differentiation of this bracket. Why? Because this is not inside the bracket x. Then 3x plus here 2. Now 1 upon 2 and 3x plus 2. Here what? Minus 1 by 2. And 3 constant, x variable, 3 before the symbol. Differentiation of x with respect to x means only 1. It means 3 into 1 plus 0. Because differentiation of only constant number is 0. Then 1 upon 2 into under root 3x plus 2 into here 3 is equal to 3 upon 2 under root 3x plus 2. This is the third answer. Clear? Okay, example number 4. If fx is equal to 7x square by 4, find f dash 1 by 7. In previous video already I have told f dash means what? Differentiation of given function. Clear? It means first of all we have to find the derivative of this function, means differential coefficient of this function. Then d by dx of fx is equal to what? d by dx of 7x square by 4. d by dx of fx means what? f dash x. And 7 by 4 constant number, d by dx of x square is equal to 7 by 4. X square means what? X power n. N into x power n minus 1 means 2 into x power 2 minus 1. Then pencil here 7 by 2 and x. This is f dash x. Clear? But we have to find the value of f dash 1 by 7. Here f dash x. Then in the place of x we can put 1 by 7 both the side. Therefore f dash 1 by 7 is equal to what? 7 upon 2 into 1 by 7. 7 cancel at 7 means 1 by 2. Therefore f dash 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 2. Understood? Good. If y is equal to x plus 1 by x, prove that x square dy by dx minus xy plus 2 is equal to 0. Means if y is given function, we have to prove this is equal to 0. You see here x square dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x. Minus x into y, y means the value of x plus 1 by x here plus 2. It means all the value we will put here left side, automatically answer will come. So going to solve first of all, what we have to find? dy by dx. Then d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of x plus 1 by x. Here dy by dx is equal to what? Inside the bracket there are two terms. Therefore both the terms we have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of x is equal to what? First of all going to write like this one, x plus x power minus 1. And differentiation of x means 1 plus x power n means what? Minus n means 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1. Then plus minus minus x power minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by x square. This is value of dy by dx. Here. Now the value of dy by dx, the value of y going to put this side. Therefore x square, what is the value of dy by dx? 1 minus 1 by x square minus x into value of y means what? X plus 1 by x plus 2 then this x square will be multiplied inside the bracket. X square minus x square by x square, and here minus x square minus plus minus x by x plus 2 here. Cancel, cancel, here cancel, here cancel, this is also cancel here. Then minus 1 and here also minus 1. Clear? And plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 0. Now this is right hand side. Hands up. Understood? Very simple, very simple. First of all, what we have to do? Learn the formula. Second, whatever question is there, according to question, in given questions, what we have to find? Either we have to find the value, either we have to prove. Say the question, after that, suppose this is question here. In this question, first of all, find dx, and y. Y already here given. And find dx means differentiate y with respect to x of given function. Like this. At last, the value of dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by x square. Then all the value means dx and then y will put here. Then we will calculate. Answer will come. Understood? If y is equal to 1 upon a minus z, prove that dz by dy is equal to z minus a whole square. dz by dy means what? dy by d by dy of z means we have to like this one here. dz by dy means what? d upon dy into z means object. It means first of all find the value of z in the terms of y. Clear? Find the value of z in the terms of y from here. Since y is equal to 1 upon a minus z, therefore a minus z is equal to 1 by y. It means a minus 1 by y is equal to z. It means z is equal to what? A minus y or minus 1. Understood? Now going to differentiate both the sides with respect to y. d by dy of z is equal to d by dy of a minus y or minus 1. Clear? A constant 0 minus here y power minus 1 means x power minus, like this one here, x power is equal to what? N into x power n minus 1. Then here minus 1 y power minus 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus sign y power minus 2 is equal to 1 by y square. This is value of dz by dy. Clear? Now what is the value of y in the terms of z? 1 upon a minus z whole square. Clear? And here also 1. Then a minus z whole square come outside. Then a minus z whole square. We have to prove z minus a. Outside square is there. This numbers we can write z minus a whole square. Now hence prove. It means therefore dz by dy is equal to z minus a whole square. Hence prove. It is clear? Good, very good. Now see the last question here. If as we are going to tell, if y is equal to 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube upon factorial 3 plus division up to infinite, prove that dy by dx is equal to y. Understood? You remember some formula? E power x is equal to what? 1 plus x square upon factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus up to infinite. From beginning and during the limit, when y was solving question that time formula, then and differentiation of d by dx of e power x. Clear? Now y is equal to what? Total value. This is e power x. d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of e power x. dy by dx is equal to what is the differentiation of e power x? Is derivative of e power x. Same number here. Then what is value e power x? Y here is equal to y. Therefore, answer. Okay, now I am going to tell derivative of any functions with the help of chain rule. Chain means here chain rules. Clear? Y dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dx. Both are same here. The dy by dx, in the place of this one, suppose here u du by here dx. Either dy by du into suppose du by dv into dv by dx. Okay, so on. If two terms are there, two terms means two functions, composite function. Composite means function of a function. Here three function. Give example. Example one, suppose here y is equal to sin x square. Because we have differentiation of like this one here. d by dx of sin x is equal to what? Cos of x. d by dx of x per n is equal to what? n into x per n minus 1. But we don't have sin x square. Here, then in this type question will come. This is outer function. This is inner function. Means outer function. This is inner function. Means sine is the outer. The first time will come. X square, after that x square is inner function. This is composition of function, composite function. Clear? Known as the chain rule. First of all, suppose inner function and inner function. X square is equal to suppose here u. Clear? Now we have formula because suppose here u. Therefore what? Y is equal to sine of u. Now we will put in this formula. dy by dx is equal to what? dy by du means d by du of y. You have to put the value of y in the terms of u. Y in the terms of u. What is value of y in the terms of u? Sin u. Sin u into du by dx means d by dx of u. Then what is value of u in the terms of x? U in the terms of x means x square. After that, you only put the formula. Then sin u with respect to u means what? Cos u. Cos u. X square with respect to x means what? X for n. 2 into x for n minus 1. Then here 2x and cos of u. Clear? This is value of dy by dx. And all the value, either u, either y, you have to put in the terms of x with respect to x here. Then 2x here. What is the value of u in the terms of x? U means x square. X square. Now this is the answer. Here, this is known as the chain rule. Once more going to tell. If any function is there, this is sin x square. Here should be sin x because we know the formula of sin x with respect to x here. Then sin, first letter, sin is the outer function we suppose. X square is the inner function. So whatever f functions we suppose u, v, w like this one, sin x square, let x square is equal to u, then this is y is equal to sin u. Now one time suppose here, then we have this formula dy by dx is equal to dy by du into dy dx. Then what is value of y in the terms of u, sin u, put here sin u, into du by dx of u. What is value of u in the terms of x, d by dx, u is equal to x square here. Then differentiation of sin u means cos u, differentiation of x square means 2 into x power minus 2x cos u. Now we have to put the value of u in the terms of x square, x, then cos x square. This is a